Aloha and welcome to the RRS Virtual 2020 meeting. I'm Katie Banata, Director of Meetings and Events.
Aloha, I am Lindsay Keeley and I'm the Director of Marketing.
We are going to show you how to use the virtual platform. First step is to log in. Every person will get the instructions via email. Please click on the link from your email to access the virtual platform. The first time, you will need to enter your email address and then the password, RRS 2020. Please click Presenting Poster Author / Attendee. Enter in your email address, this password, sign in. It will then prompt you to create a new password. Please select one that is 6 to 15 characters long, at least one uppercase letter and one lowercase letter and a number. Please do not share this information with someone else. Once you hit save, you will then update your contact information. You only have to put those with the asterisks in. Some of this will be filled out for you. Make sure you give consent, fill out anything else you want to fill out, and hit save. Great. Once you get to this page, you can enter the virtual lobby. You can update your profile, update the password, or your data privacy information. If you go to the virtual lobby, it will take you to the lobby of our virtual platform. If you want to build out your profile more, go to My Profile in order to upload pictures or give your personal contact information.
The lobby is your landing page. You will notice a plethora of items to visit here, including quick links to the lecture hall, poster hall, supporters lounge, and several networking lounges. Each of these items can also be found on the black navigation bar that will always be in your viewing window no matter what room you enter. You will also notice a few other helpful items such as the link to the registration desk, the schedule at a glance, and this tutorial should you need to return to it for reference. We will cover each of these in more detail shortly. In the top right corner, you will also notice a help desk. Please note this is for tech support. If you have meeting questions, please visit us at the registration desk. And lastly, let's take a look at the chat box. You will see you are automatically entered into the group chat. Messages you post here will be seen by everyone in the room. You can use emojis and share attachments using the paperclip. If you would like to chat privately, click the name of the attendees you wish to speak with, and a separate window will appear. You can also video call with them using the video icon. Keep an eye on the chat box as the meeting organizers will be sharing announcements and fun surprises. Please note that a chat box will be under the main viewing window. However, each room's chat is separate. This includes your private chats.
Let's go to the lecture hall. To watch all of the lectures, you will need to go to the lecture hall on the navigation button. You will see that lectures are broken out day by day and then by time. To enter a lecture, find it on the schedule, click the title or more information, and then click Attend the webcast. You will see a description of the event as well as a speaker and moderator. To attend, just click the Attend webinar. It will launch a new Zoom room when it is the appropriate time. A simple way to make sure you don't miss any of the lectures that you want to see live is to build your schedule. You will notice a click to view your event agenda bar above the viewing window. This will appear in all of the rooms. Click on the arrow and start adding lectures to your personal calendar. The schedule at a glance is also available in the navigation bar for reference. After the live meeting, all recordings will be available through the lecture hall 2 days after the session until November 14th.
Let's go see some posters. All posters are available to view throughout the show and through November 14th as well. You can search by poster number, category, or use the search box to get more specific. To view, simply click the poster title, and all have an abstract PDF and some have videos to go with them. So check those out. Each poster will have a chat as well. The poster presenters will be notified that they have received a chat, so those will follow each poster. The abstract PDF file can be found and downloaded at radres.org/2020abstracts.
Please make sure that you are signed in order to view the posters. If you are not signed in, you will not be able to access the PDFs or the videos. Next, let's go to the registration desk. If you have any questions about the meeting or need personal assistance, please visit us. We will be holding a live Zoom call each day of the meeting. To view the hours, just click on the FAQs. We will be open Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. To find other helpful information, please browse through this FAQ file as well. You will also find the schedule at a glance, information on the final night event, and a link to your beach bag, which we will visit shortly.
We know you've missed your RRS Ohana, so let's visit the community lounge. We have a variety of ways to connect here. Click the social media icons to follow RRS, reminisce by watching the slideshow of photo contest submissions, check out the journal to view the latest edition of radiation research, follow the CIT and ECI link to find more information on the Scholar in Training and Early Career Investigators group. We recommend checking out the committee contacts and reaching out in the chat. And finally, consider supporting RRS with a donation to our Legacy, Education, Foundation, or General funds.
Next, we'll head over to the Committee Networking Lounge. Want to get involved in RRS? Need a reminder of when your committee meeting is? You'll want to visit the Committee Lounge. Here you can view our incredible volunteers or join our interest list to find out how to become one. Be sure to thank those you see in the chat. Committee meetings with times and chairs are listed right here. Please note, if you are attending a committee meeting, you were sent an invitation via email that includes a password. If you cannot find this email, please reach out to the appropriate chair.
Of course, where would we be without our outstanding supporters? Please take a moment to visit and learn more about each by attending their booths, found in the drop-down menu, or by visiting the Supporters Lounge. You can also find a quick link to RRS's Interactive Career Center from Monday and through the close of the meeting.
If you want to visit the exhibitor booth and set up any information or give them your contact information to reach out, just click on this Leave Business card. It'll fill in the information that you have on file, and then you can make any comments to set up a scheduled meeting or submit some questions.
Don't forget to attend the Spirit of Aloha closing event and happy hour on Wednesday, October 21st from 5 to 6 p.m. Eastern, sponsored in part by Precision X-Ray. Simply enter through the lecture hall and enjoy an evening of camaraderie and laughs.
And finally, we bring you your beach bag. Here you will find resources such as the schedule at a glance, this tutorial video, committee schedule, membership details, how to earn CME, the photo contest slideshow, information on the Spirit of Aloha closing event, and a look at RRS 2021 in Puerto Rico.
Thank you for joining us on this tutorial. If you have any additional questions, please visit us at the registration desk or call RRS at 888-995-3088 from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mountain Time.
Mahalo!
Mahalo!